Today we're looking at a beautiful home in Los Balsos. Look at the view. Amazing. Ample living spaces. Beautiful. It's just everything you need. Modern kitchen with a lot of spaces to store gas fireplace, pool and jacuzzi. Look at it. And it's just wonderful. And check out that view. Just imagine. Look at all these rooms to enjoy afternoons in Medellin. Beautiful afternoons in Medellin. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Ample rooms. Master bedroom. Also with a beautiful view to the cities to enjoy every morning. Ample air conditioning. Or you just open the window. Look at the master bedroom and look at the view from the kitchen. Goodbye for now. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Goodbye. See ya.